Good evening. Here I am introducing the water management and its sustainable use. In this slide, I am highlighting the crisis of freshwater depletion. The depletion of the freshwater is a critical issue and it is growing globally as a problem. The drivers are the environmental change. The change in the environmental is affecting the rainfall patterns. Population growth. Our population growth will increase the demand of the water. When population will grow, then there will be the increase in the demand of the water. And the sustainable water use practices are also responsible for the depletion of the water. Overpumping of the underground water is also one of the important factors. Underground water is stored in aquifers and which is used for the farming, drinking, many other purposes for industries. And when we use the water, the rate of extraction is more than the rate of refilling. I mean, when we pump the water, underground water, more than the nature refill it through rain or surface water infiltration, the level of the water goes down. Automatically it will goes down. We have to give the nature also time to refill it. Our way to just continuously over pumping the water will deplete the ground level water. And the underground water which is stored in the aquifers are the important source of water for our rivers also. Yes, if the once the underground level goes down, it becomes very important. It becomes very difficult to gain that normal level of the water. So when the water level goes down under the water, it will lead to the long-term problems, which will affect our environment and our social life also. We have to look for the solution to refill these resources of the water. Here in this slide, I'm illustrating the solution, a simple solution. The simple solution is that we have to shift from the linear water system to the circular water system. In linear water system, we use water once and then discard it as a wastewater. No. On other hand, in circular water system, we focus on reusing, retreating, recycling the water. We don't take water as a one-time consumable resources. We have to shift to the circular water system. This will not only support our water security, but it will also avoid pollutions and give us a long-term solution. Okay, and the technologies, we can use the technologies like the MBR, reverse osmosis, UV disinfection. These are effective solutions, and the water can be reused for irrigations, industrial cooling, and many other purposes. We can save water by reusing it, by recycling it, by retreating it through these technologies. And at last, I will conclude up to 30% reduction in urban water use means by using these technologies, we can lower the use by 30%. This is the significant percent. This is the significant percent, and we know that the water security is essential, and these techniques can be the promising solution. We have to shift from the linear water system to the circular water system. We have to not waste water. We have to not make it one time consumable resources. We have to reuse it through the technologies, available technologies and new technologies. We have to search. We can search the new technologies also. Thank you.